How would you say what is going on in Jamaican slang?
Wagwan.
Okay, in Barbados we say what going on.
Or in my country you say what going on? What going on, BT?
Okay, how would you say I'll see you later?
See you later.
We can link later. Okay, how would you say come here?
Come here.
We say come on.
Come here, boy.
How would you say what's happening?
What?
We say what happened. Oh, okay. How would you say go away?
Go away.
We say galong.
Move
Okay.
on, go away.
How would you say I'm not doing that?
Man, I do that.
I ain't doing that. How would you say I don't care?
Man, I care.
I ain't care. Okay, how would you say stop looking at me?
Where I look for me for?
I would say stop watch me. Okay, how would you say nosy?
You fancy?
I say you gypsy. Okay. How would you say where are you?